You have an excited new customer who just emailed you asking what's next. In the past, you might have sent them a spreadsheet for onboarding that looks something like this, or a board in a project management tool. But there's a problem. These aren't dynamic, don't make a great first impression, and aren't connected to your CRM. We decided to fix this. Arrows gives your customer a friendly onboarding plan that's always up to date with what to do next. By connecting Arrows to HubSpot, you give your team full visibility into the onboarding process and keep all your customer data in one place inside your CRM. All of this data can be used in workflows, sequences, reports, dashboards, email snippets, and all of HubSpot's native features. Let me show you how. You just closed a new customer and they're ready for onboarding. Arrow's customer-facing plans attach to deals or tickets in your HubSpot account. Because your team wants to ensure a smooth handoff, we have a workflow that creates a new deal in our onboarding pipeline, assigns an owner, attaches a customer-facing action plan, and notifies everybody involved about the next steps. If you want, you can also create a plan manually on the deal or ticket page by clicking this button. You can personalize the experience by automatically using any data from HubSpot, such as their name, company name, goals, or any other custom properties you have in your account. You can also sync data from Arrow's plans to HubSpot properties. With this live data, you can create personalized automated emails based on their behavior, build powerful internal workflows and reports, perfect for simplifying your work and empowering everyone on your team with data about your customers. When your internal teams have questions about the progress of a customer through onboarding, Arrows makes it easy for them to get answers from right inside your HubSpot account. They can see a plan summary on every customer deal or ticket. They can also see what task each plan is on, what's coming up next, and best of all the other activity and communication that the team has had with the customer, all in one place. And that's how Arrows is aligning every team around making customers successful. Because successful, happy customers are the best way to grow your business. Give it a try today.